Thank you guys so much for tuning back in with me at your mom's kitchen. Come on into the kitchen today. I got something special for you guys. We're going to be making Super Bowl buffalo chicken egg rolls. Easy, simple. Let me go ahead and get started with those ingredients for you. Come on in. Okay, so we got rotisserie chicken. So guys, what I did was I took a rotisserie chicken already done and I took the meat off the bones. You don't have to cook the chicken. If you choose to do regular chicken, you can, but rotisserie chicken. Of course, we got the egg roll wrappers. This is the kind that I use. I use two different kinds. Here's one of them I get from Walmart. Now, with the cheeses, you can use different kind of cheeses. Today, we're going to use mozzarella and cheddar jack cheese. Got that red hot sauce. Now, what I would like for you to do before you start making this dish is a bar of cream cheese. You're going to let it sit and get soft for about a good 20 to 30 minutes. Get soft. Green onions. Couple eggs. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that. That's going to be to make the egg rolls. I'll show you. Ranch seasoning. Some ranch seasoning, guys. And I'm also going to use a little bit of ranch dressing in the mix. Let's go ahead and get started. Don't want to keep you guys too long. So I don't want to forget to show you ranch dressing. Any kind of ranch dressing. Okay? You can use Hidden Valley, whichever kind floats your boat. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to get started with chicken. And we're going to get started with the cream cheese because that's take a little bit. You want to make sure you break it up as you get to stir. Take a little bit here. You want to get in there and make sure that cream cheese. Okay, so we're going to do the cream cheese. You want to make sure you break it up. Put it in. Okay. I want to use the whole bar because I want it to be good, cheesy, and delicious. So I got the cream cheese going. Next, we want to put in the hot sauce. And I'll say about a half a cup, depending on if you're going to use a whole rotisserie chicken or how much you ever need to put in to your tasting, to your liking. If you like it hotter, put more in. Then we're gonna go ahead with the seasoning packet. I am going to use a whole chicken. We're going to use the whole pack. I'm not going to use any other seasonings because it'll be too salty. If you want to use half a pack, you go ahead and use half a pack. Next, I want to put in at least 6 teaspoons, I'll say, of ranch, or however much you want, but that's how much this measures up to about. Kind of keep it creamy and break the monotony up. Look, it smells good, y'all. Smell real good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get the green onions added in. Let's go ahead and add. So I cut up about 5 green onions. Okay. Right, next we're going to get those cheeses added in. Really, no limit on cheese, but I'll say about a half a cup with both of them I'm going to do. You want just mozzarella, you do just mozzarella, but I'm putting 2 different ones in here today. I already got the cream cheese, so I'm trying to be mindful of that. I got a lot of egg rolls to roll up, making some for other people as well. My brother Willie and the family. Uh-oh. Getting so excited, y'all, making these egg rolls. You know, I like making my egg rolls. Okay. And you want to just mix. You want more, add more. But this should be enough here. I may add just a little bit more hot sauce to keep that buffalo theme going. It smells good, y'all. Let's do just a little bit more hot sauce. That right there, y'all. That's what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. I'm excited. This is what I'm looking for right here. Right here. Now I'm gonna come back and show you guys how to roll an egg roll up and get going. Okay, guys. Let me go ahead and show you how to get this buffalo chicken egg roll wrap rolled up. Okay, so I already got a few of them rolled. I wanted to come back and just show you what I do. Put your filling in, maybe like however big you want it. You don't want it too big because it's not a real big wrap. Okay, so you're gonna take it. And I got my egg wash. That's what the 2 eggs is for. I like to put egg over my egg roll instead of the water. Close it. You're gonna close the other side and then you're gonna roll. You got your wrap. And we're gonna secure it, okay? Secure it with the egg wash. I'm gonna do another one for you guys. And here's an example as well. Nice and secure with my egg wash. Let me go ahead and do this one for you guys. You don't want to make it too full because they'll start tearing. Okay, a little bit more. So we're going to take it and you're going to roll twice. Then you're going to tuck. You can take your egg wash and start putting it on the sides if you like. Tuck again, a little bit of wash, and I'm going to roll it. Roll it tight. Show you guys. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get finished rolling, and I'm gonna go ahead and I have my pot deep fryer. I made a deep fryer with canola oil, and we're gonna throw them in and get them cooking. Come back and show you guys. Okay, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and drop some of them in. Come on up. All right. In the deep fryer, you want to make sure you get them like this, and we're just going to drop them in until they get golden brown. You're going to go take them in slow so the grease won't pop everywhere. Put a few in at a time so they can cook in batches. Come back, I'll show you guys how they look. Guys, so I say you cook them for about a good 6 minutes. 6 to 7 minutes. Now, when you take them out, you can put them on a drainer, or make sure you put them on a paper towel. Okay, make sure you drain the grease off good. The grease has to drain. When you deep frying anything, look at that. Look how pretty they look, y'all. Yummy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of them, and I'll come back and show you guys the finishing touch. Okay, guys, I am back. Come on in. I cooked a lot of them up. Look at that. I cut one open for you already. Cut one open for you. Now, I have some ranch. You could do blue cheese, or I have some sweet chili sauce. We're going to try the ranch. Come on in. Spicy, but it's good, y'all. Try it. Reply in the comments. Tell me how you like it. I appreciate it. Try this for the weekend, for Super Bowl. Any time of the day. Friends, family, or get together. Try it. Easy, simple. Shimon's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Hit the bell, y'all. So anytime I make a video, I may go live. You never know. You want to stay tuned to what's going on in Shimon's Kitchen. Everybody, be blessed. Thank you.